excited. Where'd she go?
Birthday toy.
You got it. You get the cake now?
Hershey. Where are you? Everybody, today is Hershey's birthday, and she's gonna be getting treats and leash or Petco. Pick one. She wants. What does she want? Hershey.
Which one?
She picked treats unleashed.
Okay.
So we're gonna head to treats unleashed. Hershey, which one are you gonna get?
Go.
Oh, you're gonna
Okay.
get a bone.
Hershey, what do you want for lunch?
Do you want burger or nuggets?
Burger? Okay. You ready?
Happy birthday, Ida. Always makes it awesome.
Hush. We shared. Which one? Which one? Hershey. Which one? Ice cream? Okay.
It's my birthday girl. Who's the birthday girl? Who's a pretty puppy?
Choose if we're getting cupcakes or cake. Apparently, Ollie already. Cake? Which one?
Apparently she picked her.
Which one?
Nope. He likes.
You ready? Here you go.
What?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to Hershey. Happy birthday to you.
Ready for cake? Ready? Is that good?